Hey everyone, welcome back. I am here with another flip through. This is in the Super Mom sticker book and the Super Mom mini sticker book. From, of course, the new Happy Planner Girl line. And I did find these at Hobby Lobby. If you can find these in Hobby Lobby this week, they are on sale. Okay. So let's jump right in. And this is the classic size. It says appointments. He said, she said. Oh, I love that. Gratitude, grocery list, chores, and then you have these lovely coffee cups in the same kind of print that is in Supermom. Fitness, goals this week, me time, bucket list, top 5, don't forget. And of course, you can never have too much what? Coffee. So I'm just going to move it along so you guys can see the whole thing. Have it zoomed pretty close. All right. Look at all this gold foil. That's something that I noticed throughout several of the books. So here's Do All the Things. Happy Mama, Happy Life. That's true. Look at these cute little gold boxes that have lines. Meltdown Manager. And then there's that watercolor pastel mom theme there, and down here has some sunglasses, and then here it says memories. Okay, now these are clear icon looking stickers. You have your suitcases, you have books, planes, backpack, camera, so maybe for travel, this one, because this looks like it has maybe a globe on the front of it. And here you have aviators, you have some Ray-Ban looking shades or the cat eye shades. Have a shirt, lashes, shopping bag, and then like a satchel type purse here. Then we have bill pay stickers because we have credit cards, we have dollar bills, dollar signs there, and gold foil, and then of course our savings piggy. There he is. Right? This is medical and all things that mom have to do. We have dental and doctors. You have a haircut, nails, and TV shows. And this looks like an Instant Pot. Loving those. Takeout for Chinese there. And then you have wine, and then you have pizza. Then we come here. We have birthday cakes, have balloons. Oh, a swing set. You're going to take the kids to the park. More coffee stickers and tea stickers. Then we fast forward to emails or mails or happy mails. We have a laundry here. We have a dustpan for cleaning, and then a whole bunch of grocery cart stickers. Okay, so these stickers are the ones that were like badges that they were showing in the release. And these are really cute. They are clear stickers with gold foiling, and I hope you guys can see that. Almost made it to the gym, kept the kids alive, took a shower, left the house today, did what I wrote in my planner. So some of these are very specific to moms, but then sometimes, you know, just anyone could say, okay, it was my day off, I left the house today, that's good. Made my bed, so you could give yourself a little sticker or badge for that. That's cute. Love these flags. Look at these colors. It's so vibrant. The yellows and the oranges and the corals and the mints. This is absolutely gorgeous. Love it. Can't wait to use them. Then we have some of that wonderful script writing, laundry, organized errands. And these are clear. Play date, birthday, doctor's appointment. Whole page of grocery shopping. We all could use those. And then here, these are habit trackers and weekly focus. So this goes in your sidebar. This says do all the things, and all of this is gold foil. These are cutie pies, love this, hashtag mom boss, hashtag mom life, hashtag real life, hashtag parenting fail, hashtag parenting win. So some of them are very mom or parent specific, and some of them are not. Okay, so these focus, of course, and the habit trackers. Oh, I like this. We always have to-do lists, but wouldn't it be pretty cool to put down a done? I would like to do that. And it says today, love this day, totally rad, love this day, hashtag real life, LOL, OMG, smile and love. Those are beautiful. All foil. Okay, we have some to-do flags. These look like they're headers. They say today, urgent and important. And then these say selfie. So, I mean, we all love selfies. Right now, the best. Oh yeah, the best. Oh, more gold foiling. So, mommy and me day, daddy and me day. Love this day. And I mean, if you're like me, like when my mom comes around, even though I don't have a little one full-time at home, when my mom comes around or I go see my mom, I can put mommy and me day or daddy and me day. Or I love this day. So you could use this. Okay, now these would be very specific to kids. Scouts meeting, game day. Game day you could use it for a football game day. Practice, any kind of practice that you have, but typically geared towards kids. Volunteer, anyone can use that. Late start, maybe you got a late start today. Minimum day, I think that will be like a half day. And carpool, of course, those are specific to mothers. But I mean, hey, maybe you could take and cut off the word car and put it with something. I don't know. Then maybe just pool because you're going to the pool. Who knows? Okay, sleepover, pizza night, movie night, date night, me time. Pick up. There's some hearts. Birthday parties, appointment at, vacation. Yard work. Hey, I love to put one of those in there for Mr. Master Plan. Clean, workout, and then hearts again. Oh, this is my favorite part of the book. I love these. They remind me of colorful boxes. I love the color scheme, the periwinkle, the mint, the teal, the black. They go so well together. Little headers there you could use. And the same kind of stickers in that hot pink, orange, and look how vibrant this yellow is. I love it. Coral or peach. And then you have some more skinny headers, and I do believe that these just pretty much go with the layout in the new dashboard planner setup. So here are some circles, and I love these circles because they're lines, so you can write your action item or your to-do on there. And then these are some more line boxes, and these say today, and we have another page of those. And then we have Supermom. Once again, she's clear. So if you want to change her skin tone, you can. And it says Supermom here. And I like that her toenails are coral. Because even though Supermom is busy with this planner, she took time to do her toes. So she is really a Supermom, isn't she? Okay, so that was the classic. Now let's get this mini. Alrighty. Jumping right into the mini, and it mirrors the other book. Okay, so mommy and me day, daddy and me day. These are all the same stickers, just in the mini size, fun size. Also, it's full of the clear stickers, so the travel stickers and the plane and the backpack and the camera. Then here's your scouts meeting, your game day, your practice. More icons, the Instant Pot, the wine, the pizza. Here are our colorful boxes. So they're just in a different order. Right here, little headers. And today's circles there. Then we're back to the scripted clear writing. So clean, workout, yard work, and then the hearts. Then we have the Happy Mail. Laundry, the dustpan for cleaning, and then of course the shopping cart. More colorful boxes in that beautiful color scheme. Okay, these all say grocery shopping, which I absolutely love. These say doctor's appointment, play date, and birthday. There goes the hot pink, light pink, peach and corals and yellows. Beautiful. And the today's. And then this is sleepover, pizza night, movie night, date night, me time. Oh, my favorite, the flags. Yes. So pretty. And then they have Miss Supermom. They have her in the middle of the book, this or opposing to the end as the other one did. So we have that there. All right. So here are our circles. They're absolutely smaller than the other ones, but they are definitely lined, and these boxes are lined as well. Then we have our shopping. We have aviators, we have the cat eye glasses, a t-shirt, lashes, a shopping bag, and then a little satchel purse. Okay, birthday cakes, balloons, swing sets, coffee, and also tea for those mamas that drink tea. Then we are on to the bill section. So we have the little credit cards, our little gold foiled dollar signs, and then our savings pig. There he is. Okay, these say pick up, more hearts, birthday party, appointment at. I like that it has at, so you can put the time there, and then vacation. Right, here are some headers as was in the beginning of the classic: appointments, gratitude, grocery list, he said, she said, and chores, and then plenty of coffee. All right, back to the clear stickers. We have the dentist, the doctor's appointment, haircut, nails, and then TV shows. And then guess what? We have the classic size mom badges, and so do we have them in the mini as well with gold foil. Okay. Now these are like the full box stickers, I guess, with the sayings: do all the things, don't make me use my mom voice. And then the gold headers there, the Ray-Ban looking sunglasses, and then the gold memories here. And we have some to-do flags, some headers that say today, urgent, important, and then today again in yellow. And then these all say selfie down here on the bottom. More headers: me time, fitness, bucket list, top 5, goals this week, me time, don't forget, and of course, more coffee. Okay, we're back to some clear stickers: volunteer, late start, minimum day, carpool. And we have some more colorful round boxes along with these rectangles that are lined, and then a little circle today stickers. Here's my favorite color scheme with the mint green, the periwinkle, the cobalt, and the black. That's so cute. Love it. Laundry, organized. Love that one. And errands. And then another page of the mom badges. So, yes, I love them. Love them, love them. The left the house one, I absolutely love that one. Okay, so that is the Super Mom. Both the mini and the classic size. So, guys, thank you so much for joining me for this flip through. If you enjoyed it, make sure you give me a thumbs up for the video. And I do have one more flip through that I'm going to do of the sticker books, and that's going to be the Healthy Hero. I've already seen several of the Faith Warrior sticker books. I do have the classic and the mini, but there are several other planner girls that I already had gotten a hold of those. So I'm not going to flip through that one unless you guys request it. Otherwise, join me for the next video, which would be Healthy Hero. Ciao, Bella.